guys, I'm gonna do crazy eights with you. Make sure you start third position. And right shoulder, if you guys forgot, it's right. You're grabbing the flag at the very bottom. It's gonna be at your belly button, right where your belly button is. It's gonna be straight up. So if you're looking at it, you can kind of touch your nose at it, but you're not really gonna touch it. But it's right here. Okay, so I'm gonna start this first part. It's slow fours for fours. So ready? 5 and 6 and squeeze and 1. Make sure your butt isn't sticking out like that because that looks ugly. Michael will be really angry. And make sure, I don't know if you guys saw this, I stepped out on my left foot. 1. Okay? It's going to be at your belly button still, but it's going to be at an angle. Next, you're going to move on 4 and. You're going to be here on 5. Okay, make sure that this is parallel to the ground. And since your arm is slightly bent, and if you look up, you can see your arm. So right from the beginning, 5 and 6, and squeeze and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make sure it's fast and sharp, and make sure that when you're doing this, you're hitting the angle. This angle here. This is 4 and 5. Okay? Let's do it all together. 5 and 6, and squeeze and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's sharp and kind of fast on 4 and. Don't be 4 and 5. It's 5. Okay. So we're gonna go to the next angle. Right here. I'll count it off for you guys. 5 and 6 and squeeze and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You move on 8 and this right here is going to be 9. Make sure again your arm is parallel and this arm is a little bit bent, and if you look up, you can see your hand right up above you. And like your flag is straight. It's not like an angle, this, ugly, it's straight. So do that again. Okay. 5 and 6 and squeeze and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I know we talked about this before, it's the slice coming into this angle. You're here on 5, make sure you slice it. It's at your eyeballs, it's flat, and it's straight. It's not at an angle, it's straight in front of my eyes. You're slicing 9, okay? Next angle is going to be right here, shoulder hip. I think like stirring a big pot of soup when I'm doing this. Makes it a little bit easier. Ready? 5 and 6 and squeeze and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So you're going to move on 12 and 13. And it's okay if your flag is rolled up, just don't stop. Try to loosen it up while you're going. Okay? Do that again. 5 and 6 and squeeze and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. It's nice and sharp. Okay, next angle. We talked about this. The corner, while you're going to this angle, is 13, 14, slow, 4, 17, flat. It's going to be at that angle. See how it's kind of like pointing at the angle to the house over there? And it's at your eye level too. This is 17 flat, 19, 20. I'll do that again. 13, 14, slow, 4, 17, flat, 19, 20. You're not really going to stop there, but it's just a checkpoint. So do it all together. 5 and 6 and squeeze and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14, slow, 4, 17, flat, 19, 20. See, it was like directly there. Just make sure that you're hitting that flat. You can say it out loud. It really does help. Okay. So you're here. The next angle is back again. Let's do that again. 5 and 6 and squeeze and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14, slow, 4, 17, flat, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You don't, once you get here, you're going to move on 20 and 21. This is going to be 21. It's kind of hard to explain, but you don't pause. I'll do it again. 5 and 6 and squeeze and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14, so 4, 17, flat, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, I know we haven't covered this before, but what you just learned was just the 4s. After this, it's fast 2s. I'll just go for it like really quick so you can see it. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, 10. It's going to be fast. Every 2 you're going to hit. It's the same angles, so if you need help, rewind the video, but I'm not going to go through the angles again. I'm just going to like go through it so you can see what it is. So you're here on 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You're here on 24. Those are fast 2s. Now we're going to do slow 2s. The same angles again, just a little bit slower. So we'll go through it again. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You hear every angle, you're going to end up here on 24. If you don't, you know you're wrong. Okay, now these are fast 1s, same angles. We're just going to hit every count 1 time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm going to do this again because I know it's kind of weird. This is 1 for fast 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. You hit each angle on 1 count. You don't take and it's just directly there. If you guys don't get it, make sure to rewind the video and see the angles. And to stop, to end like the whole crazy exercise, you're here on 24 and hit. Your left foot, the one that you stepped out on, goes in, and your pole goes right back into your belly button. And make sure it's straight, it's in your belly button, and you can like kind of touch it. Okay? If you guys need help, just rewind it. I know it's kind of confusing, but we're going to touch it up during practices. Just we want to get you guys ahead and see if you can actually do it.